Web documents can be viewed by a user in their web browser, without having to download any extra software such as Microsoft Word. A web document is stored on the site, therefore if you spot an error, you can go in and edit the document directly when viewing it, which will then automatically change for anyone who views the document. Web documents are in HTML, meaning that anyone with accessibility needs has the option to change things like the background colour or text size, and as such, they are the gold standard for making your site as accessible as possible. Firstly, go to Members area, then Documents, and navigate to the folder you wish to add your document to. Click the Add Document button at the top of the page, then select the Web Document tab. Enter the document title and add a description if you wish. Next, enter the content. We recommend creating your content in Word, then copying and pasting it over, but typing directly into the content box is fine too. Once you are happy with your document, press Add Document. You should then see a green banner confirming that your document has uploaded. If you wish to edit your web document, you can. The edited content will display instantly for anyone who views the document after you have edited it. Go to Members area, then Documents, and navigate to the document you wish to edit. Click the pencil icon at the right-hand side to edit the document. The document edit screen will open, and from here you can make any changes you need. Once you have made your changes, press Save Document.